Look how beautiful that moon is, people. Look how beautiful. And yeah, today I'm talking in my British voice. Yeah. Yeah, look how beautiful. Look, let me zoom in on it. Look how far it is. It was just behind the clouds. It's revealing itself now. Yeah, it's revealing itself now. Beautiful. What do you call that shape? Is that a half moon or what kind of shape is that again? Wow. Yeah, that's beautiful. It was literally hiding behind the clouds just now, and you'll see it disappearing. It looks like it's disappearing now. Look at that. Wow. Isn't the world that we live in and Mother Nature it's a beautiful thing here on Mother Earth? Big up all the mothers. You know where I go? Because where we come from one. Not true. That is it. See, it never lasts long. Going back in the part one now, eh? Love and guidance, my people, always. You know the vibe.